We've done this quick build. How do we save and preview our work? Save is very easy. Go to the top right corner where you see the disk, click on save, and Bricks will give you this kind of thing. Every time you click on it, something different, beautiful, outstanding. Yeah, I don't know purpose of that, but okay, there it is, motivational. The shortcut, of course, is Control S, Command S, and that is the way to go. No need to go to the top right corner, as simple as that. Preview is done here, preview mode. The preview mode is limited in that it doesn't give you responsive preview. And from here, you can go back to the builder, or in preview mode, you can select this view on frontend. I just skip the preview mode altogether and select view on frontend. Once you select this, it opens a new tab in your browser and it shows you the front end. Go back into the builder. Let's change something and I'll show you how cool this is. I like that Bricks do this and it did it from the very beginning. I'll select a section. Let's go to our gradient overlay. And I have to click on the color and we change the color. This time we make it blue. That's shocking suddenly to my eyes, and we reduce it like so. And we say save. Before I say save or Control S, Command S, notice you're going to see that this tab is going to update before I even go to it. Click on save. It reloads this tab, and when you go to the front end, it's already the latest save. I like this feature. We talked about the save, Control S, and I want to say quickly something about shortcuts. Again, a strange little behavior in Bricks that there is no menu for the shortcuts within Bricks. I checked everywhere. I couldn't find the menu for the shortcuts, and I hope maybe the Bricks developers can bring it as a shortcut, like a Control question mark or Alt question mark, so that we can have access to the shortcuts right in here. There is a shortcut list in the Bricks Academy. I have to tell you, when it comes to tutorials, rather to documentation and help, the Bricks Academy and the Bricks community is really awesome. For almost everything you run into, at some point, you're going to find a good solution for it. Just understand that Bricks is a little bit of a learning curve, but once you get past that learning curve, it's going to be almost very difficult for you to go back to other builders. The number one shortcut is Control S, but then you also have others like undo. Let's go back to our home. I want to undo. Let's change something here. I'm going to change the color this time to, let's say, and then I'm like, no, big mistake. Go to the top right corner and select here undo, and it will give me the previous state. In case you want to go for the shortcut, I know you know what that shortcut is, Control Z, Command Z, and it gives me the undo. All the other functions like redo, they're also there. And you can check out this list. I'll put the link in the description below for all the shortcuts there currently are within Bricks.